Hi, it's Todd Howard with Blake Real Estate, and welcome to 3216 San Pedro Street in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. We're in a subdivision just right north of McMullen, Booth, and Drew called Del Oro Grove Estates. What makes this subdivision a little bit different than all the rest is all the lots are all a quarter acre in size or larger. So what we're about ready to preview is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,512 square foot, completely updated pool home. It's absolutely gorgeous on the inside. Let's go have a look. Welcome inside the home. What I want to showcase right now is the kitchen. In the kitchen, brand new granite countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and brand new soft close cabinets. The rest of the house is just as gorgeous. Let's go have a look. That's going to do it today for 3216 San Pedro Street here in Clearwater, Florida. If you or anybody that you know is looking for a home in Hillsborough or Pinellas County, feel free to reach out to me. Todd Howard, Blake Real Estate, 727-614-3296. Thank you.